Hunting is closed on June 13th, 2019. As you can tell by my voice, I'm kind of sick. I really have had no time to look at things and can hardly hold my head up. So let's make this one a quick one today. Look for the pattern with the early low. That's what this is. Said if we gapped up over these highs, I'd have no call. Frankly, even if I knew what it was going to do, it'd be hard for me to make a call when it just goes back and forth and doesn't do anything. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Most of the time it's a rally day closes near the high. If it fails, it drops in a straight line. Well, here was your ultimate sell signal, and that worked. MEJT said this was a false move, and we'd overtake this high. We got a direct hit on the target. We don't know at this time if that's going to hold, but if it holds, the rules for the direct hit say we get a sharp move down, typically 8 to 10 handles and possibly more. Of course, by the time you have it, then you know this isn't going to hold. Then you know this is going to hold and it's too late to do anything about it, but at least you know that's a possibility here. We also have a wall into the close. That tends not to be serious buying. People wait until the last minute to go long, tend to be closing out positions and shorts. If this is a false move, we should gap under this low, and preferably under this one and that one. So we have a direct hit plus a wall into the close, each of which would often, but not always, be followed by gapping down sharply. I'm not saying it works every time. Well, this is the third day out of to make it the fourth day out of the last 5 where we gapped up and couldn't hold the high of the day. It's a sign of churning at the top. Sign of the top. It's invalidated if we gap over this high. It's confirmed if we gap under these lows or even trade under them early. So we have a number of things with the potential for a top here and a sharp move down in a straight line. Now, just because we have the potential, that doesn't mean it's going to happen. And we should know by the time the market opens if we're going to get it or not. If we're going to get it, I think it confirms that this high is in and this leg's over. That means if we don't get it, I can't say this high isn't it, but at least it's a chance. It's a number of patterns which often, but not always, will gap down smartly under these lows and sometimes take out these ones pretty fast too. If it happens, and I can't be certain it will, if it happens, I would expect more on the downside in the straight line move down all day long. If it doesn't happen until we take out recent highs, I'd be leery of the long side here. And that's today's call.